if 3 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 81 and 2 to the power of 4y minus 1 is equal to 32, then find the value of x to the power of y. So we have to find the value of x is equal to how much and y is equal to how much. Once you get the values of x and y, we can... Okay, we have 3 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 81. Now in this equation, the base on the left hand side is a 3 and on the right hand side we have 81 by itself. But the good thing is this 81 can be written in terms of 3. That's 81 is equal to how much? It is 3 multiplied 3 times 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27 and 27 times 3 is 81. So 81 can be rewritten as 3 to the power of 4. And why do we have to write it as 3 to the power of 4? So that this base on the left hand side will be same as the base on the right hand side. That is 3 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power of 4. Here what I did is 81 I just factorized. 3 can divide 81 27 times, and again 3 divides 27 9 times. 3 can divide 9 3 times. So altogether you have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 threes. That's what we have there. Now in this equation, on the left hand side and the right hand side, both of them are in the exponential form and their bases are equal. Because the bases are equal, you can equate the exponents. That is, first exponent on the left hand side, it is x plus 1, and on the right hand side, that is 4. I just used this. If a to the power of m is equal to a to the power of n, then m is equal to n. So from x plus 1 is equal to 4, take away 1 on both sides, you have the value of x is equal to 3. Similarly, now 2 to the power of 4y minus 1. The second equation is 2 to the power of 4y minus 1 is equal to 32. And the factors of 32 are, we can say, what do you have for 32? It can be written as 2 to the power of how much? Same thing we can do here. This 632. 2 divides 16 times. Again 2 goes 8. 2 4s 2 2. So 1 2 3 4 5. 32 is nothing but 2 to the power of 5. And on the left hand side, you have 2 to the power of 4y minus 1. In these two bases are equal, 2 and 2. So we can write 4y minus 1. The exponent on the left hand side is equal to the exponent on the right hand side. 4y minus 1 equal to 0. So add 1. 4y is equal to 6. Then divide by 4 on both sides. 4 and 4 gives you y is equal to 3 over 2. Because 2 cancelled 3 times and 2 cancels here 2 times. 3 divided 2. Now that you have the value of x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3 over 2, and you are looking for x to the power of y. So let me find x to the power of y now. X to the power of y is equal to 3 to the power of y is how much? 3 over 2. That is 3 to the power of this 3 over 2, or 3 divided 2, I can write it as 3 times 1/2. So it becomes 3 cube whole to the power of 1/2. That is, here again I am using properties of exponents. If it is a to the power of m whole to the power of n, you can write it as a to the power of mn. So 3 to the power of 3 divided 2, change it to 3 cube whole to the power of 1/2. Now this 3 cube is how much? 3 cube is 3 is multiplied 3 times to give 27. 27 to the power of 1/2. So if the exponent is 1/2, it is nothing but the square root. So this changes to square root of 27. Hence x to the power of y is equal to square root of 27. That's the answer. So what did you do here? Just made use of properties of exponents. First you handled this 3 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to 81, and then solved for the value of x, and then found the value of y in the same way. 2 to the power of 4y minus 1 equal to 32, and after getting the values of this x and y, substituted in this x to the power of y, and your answer is that square root of 27. Okay, thank you.